So how do you link your X or Twitter to Binance? So to start off, let's open up the Binance app. Now here you just need to use any email or phone number to sign up, and you will need to verify it. Now let's just go to the top left and click on it. Now after clicking here, you will see your account or user. Now here you just need to hop over to your profile. Then here you can see Twitter and just click on it. Now it would load you to a browser to connect your X or Twitter. Now you just need to agree to the terms above. And after agreeing, you just need to connect your account and you need to authorize your sign in. So just sign in and you'll be redirected to the X website or Twitter website. And here you will need to log in your account manually. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.